Hi, how are you guys? So today I want to make a small announcement about something that I'm currently doing. So here it is. I'm starting an online class for students who are preparing for IIT JAM Physics 2021 and other similar entrance examinations of TIFR, JEST, JNU, DU, etc. So let me elaborate a little bit. So if you are an undergraduate student in physics in India, and you plan to do your master's here or your PhD here, then you must have heard of these examinations. The IIT JAM, which is the joint admission for master's programs into the IITs, which are the Indian Institute of Technologies, or other institutes like NITs, IISER, IIC Bangalore, etc. So by acing these examinations, you will get entrance to either a master's program or an integrated master's PhD program. So these examinations happen once every year, and they are quite important if you're interested in furthering your career in physics, at least in India. So with that in mind, I have started this platform called Elevate Classes. www.elevateclasses.in. So this is a website where you will find all the details about the particular program that I'm talking about. So we are starting an online classes from 7th September, which is almost a week from now. So from 7th September, we will have exclusively live online classes, which will happen via some kind of a video conferencing platform like Zoom, etc. And it will go on for at least 4 to 5 months till the end of December or mid-January. And we will organize an intense, comprehensive preparation for IIT JAM as well as various other examinations like JEST, DU, JNU and TIFR. So my team consists of alumni from these similar institutes like alumni from IIT Roorkee, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, University of Delhi, etc. And they have teaching experience of more than half a decade and a decade in some cases, including myself. If you do not know about me, my name is Divijyoti Das. I did my master's in physics from IIT Kanpur, and I've been teaching since the last 7 to 8 years. I have taught undergraduate students, postgraduate students. I have taught students who have prepared for CSIR-UGC NET examinations. I have taught students who are preparing for GATE as well as IIT JAM and various other examinations. So that is all. If you want to know more about the program, all the information are available on the website www.elevateclasses.in. I will put a link in the description. This is a program which is going to start from September 7th. So you can visit the website, register there with your email ID and your valid WhatsApp number, and also the other details which are necessary for the complete registration process. Once done, we will add you into a WhatsApp group where we will share daily web links for the lectures, which are going to start from September 7th and go on for the next 4 to 5 months. We will also provide you material, resources like daily PDF notes of all the classes. We will also organize test series for all the students periodically to show what is the progress that I have gone through. We will also provide you with assignments, which consists of questions that has been coming in these examinations in the last decade, as well as questions that we have prepared specially for students who are preparing for these examinations. Also, the medium of the classes are going to be English and Hindi. That is something that might be important for you. So it's going to be a combination of English and slightly Hindi for the communication or the medium of taking these classes. So that is all. If you are a student of physics who are preparing for any one of these examinations, or you know someone who is, you should share this information with them. Maybe they might find it interesting. And the good thing is that I have kept the first 20 hours of the lectures free of cost. So if you are new to this online world and you are not really sure whether the online classes are going to benefit you or not, you may at least register and check out for yourself. You can attend the classes, the first week of classes, and decide for your own if you want to continue with the program or not. I hope you will do, because I have been putting a lot of effort on it since the last couple of months. And this brings me to the next topic for my viewers. You have seen that I have not really posted much lately, one because of my health some time back, but also I have been working on this particular platform since some time, setting it up and all the work that goes into it. But I'm almost done with setting up the platform and everything. The classes will start from September 7th. If you're interested, you can join my team as well as myself in the next 4 to 5 months of journey into a preparation to crack exams like IIT JAM Physics. Otherwise, I'll be uploading regular videos from now on. So that is all. If you have any doubts, any queries, my WhatsApp number, contact are all available on the website. You can email me or you can WhatsApp me to find more information about this particular program. That is all. Thank you very much.